Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Today I would like to share with you our favorite Sloppy Joe recipe. This is one that I found in an old church cookbook years and years ago, and we really like it. I've tweaked it a little bit over the years, but we like to eat it on a bun, open face, or even on nachos or macaroni and cheese. So this is a great recipe for any time of the year, and it's also great to go ahead and make up ahead and stick it in the freezer, so when you have a night that you don't want to cook or unexpected company show up, just pull it out of the freezer. So let's get started. Okay, we need 2 pounds of hamburger and 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. You can use cream of chicken, or you can even just leave it out if you don't like cream soups. And a half of an onion that is diced, salt and pepper for seasoning, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 1/2 cup of ketchup, and 2.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire. So we'll go ahead and get cooking. Okay, we'll start by browning our hamburger and our onions. Yeah, we'll come back when they're brown. Okay, you want to make sure that the hamburger is browned pretty fine. That way you don't have big chunks of hamburger in your Sloppy Joe. Okay, the hamburger and onions are done, and I've drained it, so now I'll add the other ingredients. Sometimes I add a little barbecue sauce in place of the ketchup or in addition to the ketchup. Worcestershire, cream of mushroom soup, brown sugar. I turned my temperature down to just a simmer, and as soon as this is all mixed together and hot, it's ready to serve. This is an easy recipe to tweak and make your own, adding your favorite ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and taste, and then I'll season with salt and pepper if needed. We like a lot of pepper around here. And my cream of mushroom soup does not have any sodium in it, so I will add some salt. It's all done, ready to put on a bun. Delicious Sloppy Joe. You're going to want this recipe. I'll have it down below in the description. I'll also have a link to a homemade cream of mushroom or cream of chicken soup if you want to check that out. This recipe can easily be doubled or quadrupled if you have a large get-together. It's one of those great party foods. So check out the recipe down below, and please like and subscribe to the channel and come back again for more videos. See you soon. Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Today I would like to share with you Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Today I would like to